Winter recirculation must be engaged when using the Camel Max in freezing temperatures. This video is a tutorial on how to engage the winter air recirculation. Start the truck and put the truck in work mode. Exit the cab and head towards the front hose reel. Lift the splash shield. Extend the front hose. And connect it to the lower winter recirculation connection. Secure the hose with a wrench. Use the front control panel to turn on the hydraulic system. Turn the yellow main supply valve to the open position. Locate the handgun hose reel on the passenger side of the truck. And connect it to the winter recirculation connector. Return to the driver's side and open the supply valve on the front lower side of the single piston water pump. Enter the truck's cab and disengage work mode. Exit the cab and head towards the front hose reel and engage winter recirculation on the control panel. Close and secure the splash shield on the front control panel.